But now for our focus this evening. Haryana has always hit the headlines for its poor male-female ratio. But does that have anything to do with the spate of rape cases lately? That's what the government has gone on record to say. While Khap Panchayat's solution was to offer a lower age for marriage. Sonia Gandhi went and visited the area and she dismissed this theory. A humanitarian gesture or an attempt at damage control? Congress President Sonia Gandhi's visit to this Dalit family whose 15-year-old daughter committed suicide after allegedly being gang-raped in Haryana's Jind district comes even before the dust could settle over the series of rapes reported in the state, 13 in the last 30 days.
उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया है
हाँ और गला लगाई हूँ सही सही बोल
और आपको बोला कि आपकी बेटी बिल्कुल उनकी बेटी की तरह है।
हाँ
अच्छा वो भी कहा।
हाँ
अच्छा तो आप इस आश्वासन
बोले भाई ये तेरी लड़की नहीं है मेरी।
अच्छा और आप इस आश्वासन से संतुष्ट है अभी?
Congress President also minced no words on the Khap suggestion that girls are perhaps better off marrying at 15 or 16 years of age to avoid rape.
We have a democratic system here. We have a judiciary. The law is in the hand of the judiciary and of nobody else.
Sonia Gandhi's visit got the village cleaned up within minutes and also got the Chief Minister here for the first time in many years. Many are wondering what took him so long to get here in the first place, given that there have been a spate of rape cases reported here and it's also a state which is notorious for its skewed sex ratio. The Haryana government has come in for severe criticism for its handling of these sensitive cases, with the state police chief saying the crime graph has fallen and the Congress state president even going so far as to suggest it could be a political conspiracy. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, 730 rape cases were reported from the state last year and another 360 in first 6 months of the year.
हमारा प्रदेश जो है वो बहुत मतलब ऐसे भंवर में फंसा हुआ है कि जिसके अंदर विस्फोटक स्थिति है महिलाओं के प्रति, जो असुरक्षा को लें तो पूरी सरकार की जो विल पावर ना होना, महिलाओं की सुरक्षा, उनके लिए कोई मुद्दा ना होना, एक तबके के पास इतना ज्यादा पैसा आया है, जमीनें बिकी हैं उनकी, सब कुछ हुआ है कि वो कानून को, किसी चीज को कुछ मानते ही नहीं है। दूसरी तरफ एक तबके का इतना गरीबीकरण हुआ है कि उनकी लड़की के साथ, महिला के साथ अगर बलात्कार भी हुआ तो उनकी गुंजाइश इतनी नहीं बची हुई है कि वो किसी गांव से चल के और थाने के अंदर FIR लॉज करवाएं। मतलब
It needs a change of the entire mindset in the entire North India. It's not restricted to Haryana. It's in Punjab, it's in Delhi, Himachal, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, UP. We need to change our mindset. We need to know that the girl child can actually improve not two but many other families compared to a male child. Until we change this mindset, the problem remains.
But the opposition says it's more about law and order and not mindset.
सोनिया गांधी आकर के चली जाएगी, सत्ता का दुरुपयोग करने वाले तो सत्ता में बने रहेंगे। अगर गरीब को और दलित को इंसाफ दिलाने की सरकार की सोच है तो सबसे पहले इस मौजूदा सरकार को बर्खास्त करे, इस प्रदेश में गवर्नरी राज कायम करे।
From its millennium city and sparkling high-rises to its dusty villages and conservative societal norms, Haryana is a story of stark contrasts, made even more complex by the sharp divides that thrive in its wealth, caste or class equations. With Ketki Angre in Sachakhera village in Haryana, Sunetra Chaudhary for NDTV. So that's what we're asking. With so many women and Dalits being targeted, are they second-class citizens of Haryana? We're asking that to Geeta Bhukkar. She's a Women and Child Development Minister of Haryana. We also have on our panel Shamina Shafiq. She's a member of the National Commission for Women. And why it's significant that she's here? Because for a long time, the Haryana State Women's Commission refused to look into these cases. We also have N. Paul Devakar. He's the national convener for the National Campaign of Dalit Rights, Human Rights, and also Jagmati Sangwan of AIDBA, State President of AIDBA, who went and investigated a lot of these cases. Geeta Bhukkar, first to you. You know, Sonia Gandhi went there today, so a lot of the focus is on that. The media has been reporting these cases, but newspapers reports and other reports point out that it took Sonia Gandhi's visit for all the other officials, all the other ministers to reach there. Is it true that no minister, that no senior official of the police or other official went and visited any of the victims before this?
First of all, I would like to tell one thing that Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, the president of the Congress party, she has gone to such a Kheda village in Jind district. She has met the parents of the victims also. She had a talk with. And the Haryana government also, the all senior officials, they have gone. Our ministers also, they have gone to the place. They had a talk with the victims also, and we are serious about the concern that these type of incidents.
Did they go before today, ma'am? Did they go before today?
Practice. Yeah, they have gone also. They have gone yesterday also. Our minister and senior officers, they have gone to the village. They have talked with the victim family, and in the other incidents also they have got.
No, when the
and the police is doing the job.
I just wanted to
most
clarify this, Ms. Booker. I just wanted to clarify this as minister.
Yeah.
Did you go and visit any of the victims or their families?
Me, actually, we are when the incidents happen and before this incident, I have not gone to Nirvana, but I have gone to some of the incidents that happens in Kanpur Kala, or our member of the Women Commission, chairman of the Women Commission.
Because the reports suggest, field reports, and we just wanted to clarify that and see if they are true or not. They suggest that nobody senior till the time it took the Congress president to stand up.
Nirvana, whether you are
nobody from the government, they just kept saying, whenever media asked them, they kept saying law will take its own course. Nobody went and visited them.
What about
Is
the
that
reports,
correct?
whether you are talking about of the Nirvana incident? No,
Well,
whether you are talking about the Nirvana incident or
There are
before.
13 incidents, ma'am. There are 13 incidents. Any of the
been anywhere.
There are 13 incidents. Me also. I have also gone to the university. I have
Which one
talked
did you go
to
for?
the victim
Which one did you go for,
of the
ma'am?
Kanpur Kala University. Also, our Kanpur Kala, our Bhagat Phool Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya. I have gone there. I have a talk with the victim also, and our chairman, Women Commission, and other officials.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.